Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and redeem your Delta gift card. But before we start the video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we will simply start our video. So if you want to do so, first of all go to your mobile's browser, go to search bar and type in delta.com/redeem. Simply go ahead, search it up, tap on this option given, view or redeem multiple certificates or e-credits or gift cards, and then you'll simply be able to land on this kind of interface, right? So if you simply go ahead, scroll down, then you will simply be able to find this option called gift card number, or where is my gift card number, or purchase Delta gift card. So you can simply go ahead, type in your gift card number over there, add in your PIN or redemption code that you will have to have with your gift card, and then you can simply go ahead, tap on this lookup option, and you will simply be able to go ahead and redeem your Delta gift cards. In case if you are confused with it, you can simply go ahead, tap on where is my gift card number as well if you're confused with it. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful. I will make sure to leave this link below in the description box as well, so you can directly go and redeem. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time.